Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how you can go ahead and disable notifications on your Windows 11 PC. So let's say you get those notification pop-ups that come up and they're very annoying and you want to get rid of them. This is going to be an easy tutorial on how you can go ahead and do that. So let's go ahead and get right in. So you're going to want to head over to the search bar and you're going to want to head over to the settings. Now you can search up settings from here and go ahead and click on settings. Now, once you're here in settings, guys, go ahead and make your way down to system. And then once you're in system, the third option should be called notifications. Now just go ahead and press that. Once you go ahead and press it, let's say that you want to disable notifications for a specific application. Now, here at the bottom, you can actually go ahead and do that. And if it actually shows up here, you can actually go ahead and disable that. But if you want to go ahead and disable notifications as a whole, you just go up to the very top here where it says notifications and just go ahead and click on and then make sure it's toggled off. So that'll go ahead and turn off every single application that has notifications integrated into it. So essentially, that's how you go ahead and disable notifications on your Windows 11 PC. You won't get those, very buggy, notifications, right? It won't disturb you of your work. So with that being said, make sure you guys leave a like in the video, subscribe, and I'll go ahead and see you guys until next time.